Hey everybody, so here we are finishing this drought tolerant California native, California friendly garden, and you can check out, we just put the end of the drip irrigation system in. It's not real high pressure, so we do that, and then once we do that, we cover it up with this shredded bark, as you can see there. So eventually it ends up like that. You don't see any pipe at all. And this over here just got drip irrigated in, and now we are about to mulch it in. So this area here will match this area. See, the mulch just looks nice and clean. It's just fabulous. And so this is drip irrigation. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. And we do have over here, this is an air relief valve. Really, the installer should put one of those in with every time they do drip irrigation. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.